In this problem, we have the shape W, X, Y, and Z with a perimeter of 20 yards, and the shape is dilated to make shape ABCD with a perimeter of 54 yards. So what are some of the things that I see that I know and that I wonder? So I was able to rotate this 180 degrees to a point where I could translate this to be able to prove that each of these angles is congruent to my original shape. Um, if I were to make a quadrant above these two shapes, I could see that the shape went from quadrant 2 to quadrant 4, which again would be a 180 degrees clockwise. If angles are equal and corresponding, and we know that similar shapes have proportional sides, I'm wondering if that means that the perimeter is also going to be proportional, because here they're asking me about the perimeter. And if that is the case, I wonder if that is going to apply to the area or the volume of shapes. In this case, we have the final perimeter of 54 yards, the initial perimeter of 20 yards, and we know that our shape increased in size, which means that our R value, our scale factor, has to be greater than 1, which is why I was able to disqualify option A and option C, because our R scale factor here is less than 1. This is 10 over 27, which is less than 1. Between these other two options, the one that mentioned the rotation of 180 degrees was option B, and that was the correct answer. Our key idea here is that these shapes are similar because we're able to prove with translations that all of the angles are congruent and that they could be mapped onto each other. See you next time.